Ladies and gentlemen, this is Smith, and I am your host too for today. And this is Calvic Day Church. You know, right? We just bring you the positive vibes and the negative vibes too as well. Whether it's negative or positive, we in it. You know, right? And today's agenda is all about Akosua Serwaa and Odobroni, the late Daady Lumba, Charles K. Fosu, the late legendary musician in Ghana Michael Jackson, who passed away some few months ago. And his funeral rite will be on 13th December of next month. And the wives are quarreling, which is Akosua Serwaa and Odobroni. Akosua Serwaa was like, no, I am the only legal wife of the late Daady Lumba. So I am widow. And he's responsible to play the widowhood rites ritual. That's what she's saying right now. That she's the only one who is legal married to Daady Lumba. And due to this, she sent the news to court.
Woman, mammy, or woman put you up the way I touch that. Maybe you should work hard. I was a penny no more. Maybe work hard. You should get me by hold on the card, making a yacht. Work hard, in my property. But me, mammy, pay. Are they? Well, I got there no go for some. Well, I got people who say, I don't see. I'm happy to push that for them. I come here, so get me by hold. Let me show you my yes. Yes, you saw the by Holland. Why then pushing? Why then pushing?
Due to some circumstances, Akosua Serwaa is the first wife of the legendary Daady Lumba. Yes, Akosua Serwaa is the first wife of the legendary Daady Lumba. And Odobroni too is the second wife of Daady Lumba. So they both have their lawyers, and their lawyers have this to say concerning the High Court's judgment, because High Court says both wives are legally married, so they are both wives. So both of them are wives of the late Daady Lumba. So let's hear what the lawyer for Akosua Serwaa said and what the lawyer for Odobroni also said.
And hereby, say court in Chile court Akasa. As much as we disagree, that is the judgment of the court. And he will advise our clients accordingly.
But it's also part of religion now because our clients.
No, it wasn't before the court.
Okay.
And it wasn't before the court. But court now knows some directions. But essentially, what she said is so many now. Akosua Serwaa approach our dear no need to. And of a cancer certificate once a month. And that is the decision of the court. The rest is up to the family to decide on the way to go into. They will be asked for the effort to make, especially my wife. She has supported me, and we have come this far. Mijiri say judge didn't start here with the judge of council no kura de ba akope no kura na bedi hin nti ejidi say no kura bedi hin na me hira mu.
Opportunity to sit in court, you come to the absolute conclusion that this judgment is fair. It recognizes both women as wives of Daady Lumba, and it affords both women the opportunity to be present at the funeral and perform the necessary kuna. So it's a peaceful situation as far as we are concerned. We couldn't have wished for a better outcome. What has come out is very fair to all both parties, and it's our prayer that at least all the parties, including Akosua Serwaa and Madam Prisla, will accept this and give Daady Lumba, the legend, the peaceful burial that he deserves.
Do you think that this judgment would actually give peace to the family with regards to the issues arising regarding the burial of Daady Lumba?
What is important is that why do we want to continue to hold on to grudge? when both parties have been afforded the chance at peace. It's not saying one woman is superior to the other. What the judgment is saying is that both women are recognized as wives. What the family wants has been reaffirmed by the courts, and it is something that must be respected. It's a chance at peace. And whoever loves peace, whoever loves Daady Lumba, whoever loves his music, whoever loves the fact that this man is a legend and deserves a peaceful after-death event, should accept this judgment.
This is what, guys, this is what Saliman, this woman, if you know Saliman, you know that she has been blasting a lot of celebrities on the media too as well. And this is what Saliman has to talk about Daady Lumba. She went to sit on radio. She's on radio, live, and said this thing about Daady Lumba, from Shatawale to Daady Lumba. Like, bro, let's listen to what Saliman said in this video.
DNT and a one grant Akosua.
I think that Daady Lumba happens to be one of the most selfish and manipulative individuals that I've ever, encountered. Me, personally, I've encountered him. You get what I'm saying? And then, a matter of say, I had my own personal reservations with him, working with him and all of that, but he was loved. And we had the nipa bia and nipa pena assembly. I say one kasa wali. What I say, the pena assembly, a bassa was saying kana semumpa. People tend to go like say you are a hater. But they just imagine senka Daady Lumba asemobaye. And a yala we ma kaye. A brand what's nasena. Only am pesa mention ase. Kasan sem we nyina enko. Because enko fo bebre ma instances where omukaso oboma. Ebi say or a friend is say wo akoma boni what but asem nya na nam say no ye legend back wa no I say on and ni superstar level die ebi wo Ghana da enti ye try say in protecting him no but ye try say protecting no e ma ye shield the bad side na nka sa pe kasa ne ma ni nya nka ntime anka embeto abonten enti no oyima what I'm saying in a nutshell ne say Lumba obie no obetimi take Lumba out of this equation. Sen enkrasi sema ekosi e wonachi no e wono na ekrasi ni ana by extension.
Oh
no
Sally,
no
did you say that?
No, let me just say what I say like, because how can you say
krasi ni wo kwa benso
what kwa ware e wo mrem what am person menche na say na allegedly wunim pa wunim me so troje man kasa you be amazed. It will mean say Sankata nam kosen shine nyina no what you say yes so and yes lawyer na read it
no yes say kan man
what you say yes so to be say for echi boko now sa kwa ware wo bad ya yes wonye ni papa wonye ni papa ana from near my see wo court ni nya say akra no kra so fa no ya kola o ya minor ti na wonya de papa ana waja ho ana odeko when say wachia mu waja ho de ko Afi, Shemami and innocent women, they've both been lied to. As he say, no, all because say, Bema Baku decided to obey a liar. Bema Baku decided to obey a manipulator. My friend say, Bema Baku decided say, oh, when he be what I say, because listen, now boy a boss in Dr. Kwekoti in the be so much to say, yes, who are ban over flower, woman who near woman. Yes, there's a first woman I'm a brem. Say when Papa speaks about the first wife, no, me personally, I asked him, oh come on, me no want some, and I no can want some with a lot of like passion. Say what shen or do, what you say, what in person or jine mo abra no ni hwe no oboa what can want some to oba no ba, what to be fa maame no emfa mbambetiatia. By this particular situation, the ama broni balls any idea no I'm suspecting say and someone
and concerning us the court has concluded on the issue that both Odobroni and Akosua Serwaa are both legal wives of the late Daady Lumba. This gentleman too trending who is saying that if they've dealt with it physical, we will also deal with it what? Spiritually when they come to Kumasi to perform the rites. That's what he said, he said the court has done its part for the physical and he says that both of them are legal wives of Daady Lumba. But this man particular here is saying that he will personally deal with it spiritually because he doesn't understand that both wives have to be spouses of the late Daady Lumba. He doesn't agree with it because it is supposed to be one woman to perform the widowhood rites. So let's watch what this man said in this video.
Court, say omunyina be we do.
Na me say one do amra ya twan no. See tie kurom. And to amra be na yi.
Go be there, dey na be.
Me say amra be ya yi. E dey kwa ye. Ah. E dey be through wa.
Na say wo court buan unyin ntum.
Oh, court na buan asam. Na na mo so ka o masem. So ja se. Na na ma bo so ka o masem.
Eh.
Ah, say ya ade mienu. Esum ene e wo han. What ja se. Etie say no, ade achen. E na wonamu no, court wa buan de. It is spiritually na nam so di o masem wo munwie.
I show say nana.
Yes, Lumba no. Na atrofo bebre awuo. Ai wo Lumba mfuo mu. Na na makum omo. Na na maboso makum omo. Esu ta boso makum omo. Esuo ene ahonhoma e wa santemam. No makum. Because na nam de emfa kontompo, emfa nya bibia wa ha.
And the reason why the court approved both wives to be the legal wives of the late Daady Lumba is because Akosua Serwaa could not prove that she was legal marriage to Daady Lumba in Germany that she was claiming. And while Odobroni was able to prove that she was married traditionally. So the judge reportedly concluded that even if Akosua Serwaa married Daady Lumba, she deserted him for years. You know, in this picture, they know that Odobroni is traditionally married to Daady Lumba, and for some reasons, the two of them are legal spouses of Daady Lumba. So they should both perform the rites, the funeral rites, the widowhood funeral rites when it's the time on 13 December 2025. So this is all the news available on the internet, you know, right? And this is mind-blowing as well. It is confusing. People really don't want this to happen because it will cause some chaos in the family, you know, right? And we pray that no disagreement comes to the family. Due to this issue, there will be some misunderstanding in this family, you know, right? After the death of the late Daady Lumba, between children to grandchildren. I don't know, but peace should be unto them. Peace should rule in the family for them to have a very beautiful family as well, because they should let the man rest peacefully. They should let the man rest peacefully. This shouldn't be an issue to cause chaos in the family between siblings from different mothers. That this one will not talk. You bab all this. They are old stuff. You know what? They are old stuff, and they should just throw all this away. You know, there's no time for family beefing and stuff. Akosua Serwaa and Odobroni should settle their case peacefully, and there should be an agreement in the family. You know, as a concord, right? Yeah, so they should avoid any war. Let the funeral go on perfectly. Anything to do the funeral basabasabia, they should avoid it. You know, right? Yeah, they should let the funeral go on perfectly. Happiness should rule in the family too as well. So this is Convict Studio. Subscribe to the channel too as well for me. If you want to travel, if you want to buy your ticket to travel, if you want for your visa applications, everything, contact OSK Travels. OSK Travels is there for you anytime, you know, right? Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel too as well. This is Convict Studios, and I'm out.